Let's put a remote start on this '05 Lexus, even though the customer was about 45 minutes late. Now, this remote start with the T-harness only had 2 plug-ins, so I wasn't really tripping. But when I noticed I was pulling on the knee buster, it was held down. So I had to pop this one panel off, remove one Phillips head screw, and then proceed to take off all the harnesses. And now when I noticed that it still wasn't moving, I didn't want to go ahead and tug because I might have pulled something. Luckily I didn't. I found one more Phillips head screw that was behind the driver's side cup holder. Now after we got that one out, everything else is held in by clips, so we can take the knee buster off and proceed to take out the harnesses behind that. Now the first harness needs to go directly to the steering column lock actuator, so we need to remove the 3 Phillips head screws holding the steering column together. And I like to use a little squeeze technique because that helps release some of those clips that's holding each other together, and you don't have to worry about marring anything up by using any type of panel removal tool. After I get that first connection done, we can go over here to the BCM, that second harness on the right hand side. We're going to unplug it and put the T harness in that one, and believe it or not, this remote start is finished. Programming is dumb easy. We're just going to turn the car on, it flashes solid green, goes off, then we turn the car off. Programming tach, we want to crank the car up, press the brake, press and release the programmer button, release the brake, and now tach is done. After we get done programming the keys, we want to make sure we test everything, zip tie everything up so nothing's loose or hanging down, and put it back just like we found it. We also enabled the 3-time lock from the factory key fob, and the customer loved that feature. To catch y'all on the next install, y'all have a blessed day.